Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to make a second YouTube channel. This is youtube.com and this is the logo of my first channel. To create a second YouTube channel, just click on your channel logo or profile logo from this corner. Go to switch account. Click on view all channels. Now, next to your first channel, click on this create a channel button. Give your channel a name, for example. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Give your channel a name, for example, second channel. Check this box next that I understand and hit this create button. And this is how to make a second YouTube channel. To switch between these two channels, it's simple. Just click on your profile icon and go to switch account and select your second channel. Same thing to return to your first channel. And this is how to make a second channel on YouTube. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.